Imagine this, you're walking down the street and suddenly the earth just stops spinning, not forever, just for 5 seconds, and it sounds harmless, right? Well, it's not. Those 5 seconds would be enough to change everything around you forever. Let's break down what would actually happen. The Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's about 1,000 mph. At the equator, it's been doing this since it formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Why? Because of angular momentum left over from the cloud of dust that created our solar system. That spinning motion creates stability. Our day and night weather patterns and even the shape of the planet all depend on it. Our day and night weather patterns and even the shape of the planet all depend on it. Now imagine this rotation just stops instantly. The air, water, and objects on Earth wouldn't stop with it. Everything not solidly anchored to the bedrock would continue moving eastward. At over 1,600 kilometers, people, cars, oceans, buildings, everything would be flung eastward like a planet-sized car crash. Skyscrapers obliterated, trees uprooted. You'd be flying through the air before you even knew what happened. It would be like a global horizontal tsunami of destruction. The oceans would be one of the biggest problems. They'd keep moving even after the crust stopped, causing unimaginable tsunamis. We're talking waves hundreds of meters high, smashing into continents. Coastal cities would be wiped out in seconds. And that's not all. Weather systems, which are driven by the Earth's rotation, would completely collapse. The Coriolis effect, gone. No rotation means no jet stream, and no jet stream means massive storms forming in weird, unpredictable ways. And then there's a magnetic field created by the motion of Earth's liquid outer core. If the planet stops spinning long enough, that motion could slow down or stop too. No magnetic field and no protection from solar radiation would be exposed to harmful rays from the sun and cosmic radiation. Satellites would fry, electronics could collapse, and Earth could gradually become uninhabitable. Okay, but we said just 5 seconds, so would any of this actually happen? Sadly, yes. Even if Earth only paused for a few seconds, the momentum would still launch everything on the surface forward. The damage would be massive, and when the spin suddenly resumes, it'd throw everything back in the opposite direction, so double the destruction. So next time you're annoyed by a long day, just remember it's the Earth spinning that gives you night in the first place. Let's be grateful it keeps going. Because if it ever stops, even for 5 seconds, it would be the worst 5 seconds in human history. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more mind-blowing science facts.